Hey guys, welcome to Lanie Cooks. On this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make some delicious garlic sweet wings. Stay tuned. So what I have here, what you'll need is I have 2 trays of chicken wingettes. It comes with the thighs and then the little drumsticks here. They have been washed and cleaned and dried. I have fish sauce, oyster sauce, we have some granulated garlic, I have my sugar, and we have about 5 tablespoons of butter, and then we have shallots, green onion, and garlic mixture. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to our pot here, and then we're going to throw in our aromatics. And I already have my pot here on about medium-high heat. So you're going to cook this until it's nice and fragrant. Okay. These wings are super easy, you guys. Kids will love it. I'm not going to make it spicy today because my kids are going to be eating it. But if you want to make this for like a party, friends, get together, you can add as much spice as you want for adults to eat. Alright, so now that we have our aromatics nice and fragrant, I'm going to go ahead and throw in our stick of butter. And it doesn't necessarily need to melt all the way before you throw the chicken in. But I'm going to go ahead and throw my chicken in here. Make sure you use a nice big pot just to give the wings room to breathe. You don't want to overcrowd the pot, and then you just have a hard time cooking it. Alright. So, all the wings are in my pot. I'm going to crank my fire up just a little bit. And it's going to be up to like medium-high heat. Higher than the first time, and we're just going to stir this around a bit just to get it nice and brown. About a good 2 minutes stirring it in already, and the chicken is getting brown on the outside. Just keep stirring it, guys. But we're going to go ahead and start adding all of our seasoning, because once we add all this seasoning, we're going to let it sit here and reduce down to like a really thick sauce. And that's what's going to give it the nice, sweet, garlicky sauce. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a tablespoon here. And then we are going to add some fish sauce. This is going to give it the salty taste. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of our fish sauce here. And then we can add more later if it's not seasoned enough. And then the secret to our stickiness is going to be this oyster sauce here. Okay. Alright, we got 1 spoon, 2 spoons, I'm going to do 3 since we have a lot of wings. Alright, 3 spoons. And if you guys have trouble following this, I'll have a description of my ingredients and recipe at the bottom of this video. So once we add the fish sauce and the oyster sauce, go ahead and give it a nice mix. Again, the butter is already in here, so it is smelling super good. Alright. Okay, give it a nice coat there. Alright. Again, my fire is still on high. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the garlic. A real simple, easy dish. Okay. Alright. So we got 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Okay. Give that a nice mix. See how the sauce is kind of collecting at the bottom here? That's why you want to keep giving it a whirl. Okay. Now I'm gonna add sugar. That's why it's called sweet and garlic. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then we're gonna do another one, and that's it. Alright guys, so that concludes all of our seasoning process. So what I'm gonna do now is give this a nice big stir, and then we're gonna let this cook on medium-high heat until the wings are cooked and the sauce is nice and thick and reduced. So my chicken wings has been simmering, cooking for about a good 20 minutes now on high heat. As you can see, all the sauce has come out and it's nice and thick and glazed. So I've been mixing the chicken wings back and forth like this. So basically you want to cook this until your chicken wings are done and nice and coated. So it's ready to be scooped out. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Nice, sticky, sweet, and garlicky. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and scoop our chicken out into our bowl here. And you can leave yourself enough sauce to dip these wings in. It can be cooked all the way down to like where it's nice and thick. But I'm going to leave some for my boys to put over their rice. Alright, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Put some sauce over it. And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. And then just to add a little bit of color, paprika. I'm going to add a little bit of this to my chicken just to give it a nice color. It doesn't have any spice in it, but look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Look at that. Smells so good. Okay, so you can see how I made these garlic sweet wings. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to check out more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a good day.